I'm gonna put it near the mic so you can really hear it. Ooh, that's that good crunch. Hey guys, welcome back to the daily special. My name is Spesh. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make fried chicken in an air fryer. Now before you tell me that's not fried chicken, you didn't fry it in oil. Baby, please try this. It's crispy, it's crunchy, it's everything that fried chicken is. These wings were super popular on my Instagram feed and I got a lot of questions about them, so I decided to make a full YouTube tutorial for them. As you can see, this post got a lot of love and engagement, so I thought why not share the full recipe with you guys so that you can enjoy some fried chicken at home too, using an air fryer. Believe me and trust me, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So we have a couple of ingredients. We have all-purpose seasoning. I use Lawry's because I love it. Sometimes I use adobo. I switch between the two depending on what I have. We have garlic powder here, onion powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and some thyme. Now I'm going to use all of the same seasonings in my flour mixture, which you can see right here. I already have it mixed up and ready for me. So everything that's here is already in here. Now when you're working with raw chicken, gloves are your friend. So I'm going to put on some gloves and we are ready to get started. So I'm going to take all of my seasonings and just put them, coat my chicken wings with everything. You have the onion powder, the garlic powder, our paprika. Smoked paprika is different. This is going to give you that smoky feeling. I like to use smoked paprika when I'm supposed to be grilling something and I want that smoky taste. We're just adding everything and we're going to come and toss with our hands. Make sure every wing is thoroughly coated. I like to season the wings before and after the batter goes on. So they're seasoning in the flour mixture and seasoning on the actual wings because that ensures the perfect bite. You won't have a tasteless wing around these parts. And that looks good to me. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. So we're done with that. Now I'm going to take off one of my gloves, clean hand, and I'm going to take my flour mixture. I'm throwing about 5 wings in at a time, and I'm just going to coat them with the flour. You can see they're nicely coated. Now, here's where our air fryer comes in. I'll introduce you in a second. Let me just get the basket. So this is the basket for my air fryer. I preheated the air fryer already, so it should be good and ready to go. And I can fit about 10 wings, if I do it right, inside the air fryer at one time. So I'm just shaking off the excess and I'm laying them skin side up. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I've never done skin side down, so just do it up. I always like to keep one hand clean so that I can work and pick up the bowl with my clean hand and just mix with my gloved hand. That way there's no cross-contamination going on. Now these don't take long to cook at all. They only take 22 minutes. And you don't have to flip them. I think that's why I love air fryer wings. They're such low effort. And the oil doesn't smell up your house because there is no oil. Except for a little bit of cooking spray that we're going to spray halfway through the cooking process. Okay, we're all done. That looks great. They all have a little bit of room. And now I can take my other dirty glove off from the inside. I just keep reusing gloves because I have so many. I have a pack of like 500. So now it's time to meet our air fryer. Okay, so this is my air fryer. It's a Power XL and I believe it's a 7 or 7.5 quart. This holds a ton of food. I fit my 10 wings inside And now I'm just going to slide the basket into place, and it comes on like that. Okay, so we're gonna put these wings on 400 degrees for 22 minutes. And since I already preheated this for 5 minutes, it's nice and hot, so it's just gonna start cooking. Now, at the 11-minute mark, you're gonna wanna open the basket and spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. Then slide it right back in. You don't have to flip the wings or anything. They're going to be lovely. I'll see you in 11 minutes. Okay, so here we are at the 11-minute mark. We're just pulling the drawer out, and oh my god, it already looks good. We're gonna take our spray and just spray anything that has light patches, but I usually just spray them all lightly, and then you put them right back. What I love about this air fryer is that it's super quiet. I don't know if you can even hear it right now, but it is super, super, super quiet. And I love it. It's my best friend. The other day I made zucchini fries in it. That was great. And if you don't have an air fryer, invest in one. Promise. There's so many pros about it. I have not had one con. Besides maybe storage space, but you can always find somewhere to put it. I also like that this air fryer makes the wings super juicy. They're never overcooked. The flour and the cornstarch really gets that crunch that I like, but it also keeps it juicy inside. Also the cooking time. I got it down to a science. I kind of played with it a little bit, but I found that 22 minutes is perfect for these chicken wings. Our wings are almost done. When you see that off, don't take it out. It's gonna beep in about a few seconds. Okay, our wings are done. Let's take a look. They look absolutely gorgeous. They're all nice and crispy and crunchy and perfectly cooked. Now, let's transfer them to a plate. We're taking our air fryer basket out and we're moving our wings into our plate. They are perfectly done. I can already tell. There are so many things that I want to try making in the air fryer. If you own an air fryer, what have you tried to make in an air fryer that has shocked you or surprised you? I've made chicken wings, french fries, sweet potato fries, zucchini fries. As you can see, I'm a fry girl. And here we have our beautiful wings. They are super crunchy. I'm gonna see if you can hear this. I'm gonna put it near the mic so you can really hear it. Ooh, that's that good crunch. What else is there left for us to do but to taste? My pictures. Y'all know I gotta get my pictures in. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and I'm ready to try these wings. These are so good. I can't even. They're juicy, they're crunchy, they're seasoned well, they are not dry, bland, none of that. They are perfect. Why waste oil? Smell up your home with grease and just slave in a hot kitchen when you can just throw it in the air fryer, go ahead in your living room and watch TV, come back 11 minutes later, spray them a little bit, go watch TV again, come back 11 minutes later when it beeps, and you have fried chicken. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when my videos go live. If you like what you saw today, please leave me a comment, a like. I have the full recipe down below in the description, and you can find the entire thing on my website, thedailyspecial.com. I'm thinking about starting an air fryer series, so if you would be interested in that, let me know. I want to try it all. This thing has amazed me, and I think I haven't even tapped into its full potential yet. So I'm ready to experiment. Let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.